Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy DC, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide. I'm just getting back with you guys on the progress of me applying for my general contractor's license. Uh, I had applied a few years ago, but I had run into some hiccups. And as I promised you, I told you that I was going to walk you through the whole process of me getting my contractor's license and staying true to that commitment. That's why I'm here with you today. Uh, it did take longer than I originally thought uh, because the first application that I sent in, it was sent back to me because I hadn't filled it out correctly. I put information in the wrong spots and things of that nature. So yeah, it was a bit of a headache process, to be completely honest with you. So what I ended up doing is I paid to take the study course from the Contractor State Licensing School located in San Diego. They basically walked me through the application process. I used their study materials to prepare for the contractor's license, and that's where I'm at today. So I did resubmit my application with the school's help, and it was accepted. And this is from my General B license, which is a general contractor's license. Uh, so let me walk you through the steps that's going to happen. Originally, I sent in my application with the processing fee. I believe it was $450 for that fee. And what the first thing they're going to do when your application has been accepted is you're going to get a letter in the mail. I don't know if you can see this due to the lighting, but it's from I'm in California. It's from the Contractor State Licensing Board. And I'll just read you off the letter they gave me. It basically says, it's named and addressed to me. Subject, application for original contractor's license. It says, Dear applicant, thank you for applying for the Contractor State Licensing Board, the CSLB in California. We received your application for your original contractor's license on January the 12th, 2023, and that has been entered into the CSLB tracking system. Please read the entire letter. It provides you with important information about your application process. So what you're going to get is an application fee number, and then you set up your own personal PIN number. And what that allows you to do is check on the progress of your application. So that's what I received from them originally. It goes on to say, use your application fee number and your PIN to check the status of your application. So you can do that on their website. In California, that is www.cslb.ca.gov, or by calling the CSLB automated information line. Also, it says the PIN is for your use only and should not be shared with anyone because it provides access to your personal information. If your PIN is lost or stolen, please notify CSLB License Division in writing at the address stated above. So yeah, once you submit your application, you are going to be receiving a letter like this, and it's going to once again, it's going to give you your application fee number and your personal PIN, so you can check the status of your application at any time during the process. So it just goes on to say to check your application status using CSLB automated system. Gives you the steps, 2 steps, please. When the recording begins, it tells you what to do. Enter your application fee number. So that's pretty much the process. The beginning of getting your contractor's license, you're going to do them 2 steps. And then in later videos, I will continue with you on what else they send to me and what's my next steps. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. I'm looking forward to walking you through this process. I'm excited as well. Let's do this together. Let's go out and build our businesses and make that money. Thank you for being part of my day, and I will talk to you soon. If you find this information valuable, please subscribe to my channel, The Black Carpenter's Guide on YouTube.com. This is DC, the Black Carpenter, checking out. Peace.